In the United States, we face a grim statistic that roughly 4 out of 10 adults are obese or have type 2 diabetes. What's interesting about this problem is that the treatments are known and are available. You might have heard about these in the news recently. There are drugs like Wegovy, trizepatide, Mounjaro. These are GLP-1 agonists that are very effective at reducing body weight, reducing A1C levels for type 2 diabetes patients. The challenge for these drugs is they're quite expensive, and production and scale up is really difficult. And with Rogue, what we're intending to do is to build a platform that can make this type of therapy accessible and cost effective for the vast majority of the people. We're doing this by bringing in innovation, leveraging advances in bioelectronics, synthetic biology, protein engineering, to develop these implantable platforms that facilitate production of these drugs in the patient through a small, minimally invasive implant that is intended to produce the biologic for up to 1 year and perhaps even longer.